The rain is really bad over. I'm still in Baytown, getting ready to cross over Crosby, over to Crosby. Look like it may be better in my direction. But this is how it's looking and before I get to Crosby exit. So prayerfully, the rain may be coming Baytown's way or maybe coming my way, where I live over in Channelview area, North Shore area. The rain may be coming that way. I can't tell from the clouds which way it's going. Looks like it's traveling east and not going west. It's what the end of the clouds look like to me. So I don't know. I'm not a news weatherman, so I don't know. Weather woman, so I don't know. But it doesn't look like it's coming to the west side. Look like it's hovering over the east side. I don't know if I'm right or not. Okay, goodbye. I'm driving, so I gotta go.